Hi everybody, welcome back. I have my new Max mount on. I'm so excited. It is so sturdy and so great. It's awesome. So I am so excited for this. It is the brand new Ryker, the Can-Am parts for the Solo 1-Up backrest offered from Can-Am. And I think this will make the world of difference for me. It comes with no screws, no bolts, nothing needed. It is part of the link system, so it should just attach, clip on, and be good to go. So it has two pieces, and I'm going to show you how it works. So what we're going to do is this piece right here, if you see in here, it's going to go clip through here. So we're just going to slide it like this, and then give it a good push. Yeah, and that's it. And then now we're going to put this on. Actually, you know what? I need to push it over just a little bit. There you go. So you want to make sure everything is showing there for it to work well. All right, so now what we're doing is we're adding this piece in here, and then we're going to lock it. I'm sorry, it's unlocked right now. Hold on. All right, so right now it's unlocked. We're going to put it on, and then we're going to flip the switch and lock it. And that's how it's going to stay in place. So I'm just putting this on, very easy, just like that. So now to get to the lock, you just pull this forward. And if you can see in there, let me get a better angle. Yeah, so now you're just flipping the switch over. You want to hold it there for me? My assistant, my loving, gorgeous assistant. And it is a little tough to do. I'm just making sure which way it goes. I don't know why it's so hard to do. All right, so I'm having a little technical difficulty here. So all I'm trying to do is just switch this like this. That's all I'm trying to do. It should not be that difficult. Maybe it's okay. I can't get it. Does it look like it's moving? I don't know why. I can't get it. Maybe it's not flat. Hold on. Here you go. Nope. It's not lined up right or something. All right. So you want to make sure all that is flush. And I just knocked it a few times to make sure it's good. All right, so let's see if it works now. Yes. Okay, that was my problem. It wasn't flush. And now it's done. Let me see their camera. Still recording. So make sure it's flush all the way. Learn from my mistakes. That's why I do these videos for you. Just make sure it's on. It should be a little bit taut, or it's gonna not work. But it's really kind of a cool little hiding spot. You can put all kinds of good stuff in here. I'm not going to tell you what kind of illegal stuff could go in there, but you might want to throw your key in there. You don't want to hold it. No one's going to look in there. Shh, shh, don't tell anybody. And we're done. Let's see how it works. My first time trying it. Oh my God, what a difference this makes. It is just, wow. It is incredible to have that lumbar support. I 100% recommend this. The handlebars, if you see from my other video, it wasn't worth the time or money or energy to do them because it didn't make that much of a difference. I'm still looking for something a little closer, but this, 100%, this was very expensive, but if you're gonna go on rides, on long-term rides, it is definitely worth it. I will put the link below where I bought everything, and I actually bought mine on Amazon, so it'll be below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and please subscribe. It really helps me out. Please. The best way to check it out is to ride it out.